Today, in this occasion, I will tell you a story about Timun Mas. First thing first, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Rihanna Mutiazana.
Sudah sama Anissa. And I'm Nurkoli Paulia Rahmi. And I'm Septuron Ramadhani.
Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a poor old woman. One day, she found a magical cucumber seed that grew into big and strong cucumber plant. From this plant, she found a beautiful golden cucumber which she named Timun Mas.
One day, a fierce giant heard about Timun Mas and wanted to eat her. The giant came to the old woman's house and said, "Give me Timun Mas or I'll eat you." The old woman, frightened, replied, "But sir giant, Timun Mas is my child. I can't give her to you." The giant became angry and threatened to eat the old woman if he didn't get Timun Mas. The old woman finally gave Timun Mas to the giant, but she also gave her some magical objects that would help Timun Mas to escape from the giant.
As the giant chased Timun Mas opened the magical object. She threw the magical cucumber seeds that grew into a cucumber field that made the giant have the trouble walking because of the cucumber. The giant broke free and got even angrier. So, Timun Mas opened the second package and threw a needle at the giant. The needle turned into a long bamboo that makes the giant have a trouble moving. So, Timun Mas opened the third package and threw salt at the giant. Suddenly, big ocean appeared and the giant was able to swim and continued to chase Timun Mas. Timun Mas opened the fourth package and it was filled with shrimp paste. She threw it to the ground and hot mud is boiling the giant, so it was impossible for the giant to chase her again. So she finally defeated the giant and Timun Mas finally came back to her grandmother.
After defeating the giant, Timun Mas and her grandmother lived happily ever after in their village. They were both very happy to have overcome their difficulties together. The old woman hugged Timun Mas and said, "I'm so proud of you, Timun Mas. You've shown extraordinary bravery and cleverness."
Moral of the story is we can learn about importance of bravery and cleverness in facing life challenges. Timun Mas will show bravery and intelligence to overcome the difficulties and achieve goals.
So, that was the story of Timun Mas. Thank you for listening our yapping and thank you!